All right. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So let's look at the exec.
Bishop, we should be coming to see that our world is free.
Where is your this is your profile? This is your file now. So the first thing you need to do, open your file. You need to install a module. There are many modules that can convert Python to executable file, but I want you to. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yeah, I hear you. I hear
There
you.
there are many modules that can convert your py file to exec file. But some of these modules they select version, Python version. Python now they do upgrade at 3.3 point version. Before it was 3.3.1. I think today now we have 3.3 and they are going to 3.4. So version compatibility makes some modules not to convert to exe file. A good example is your PyInstaller. So PyInstaller is basically to convert a Python py file to an installable file, which is the exec file first. All right. Then we have another module called Py to exe. That's the name of the module. Auto Py to exe. That's the name of the module. Then we have one called CX Freeze. All right. The last application I built for the person I was talking about in UK, I actually converted this application to exe file. This is the application. It's actually an inventory management application that is built with Python, taking sound and the SQLite. Hope I remember. So this is the admin login. The admin login page that is going to load for you. This is the admin login page. So in this supermarket, you can add the products. You can check for your inventory, search out the product. You can see sales of products. All right, a weekly product has sold. You bring out the time and the date that those products are sold. You can check your profile and you can also delete profile as an admin. Then I just had the sign out. So this application makes use of basically two users, which is the admin and the front desk. Okay, the front desk is Joe. So this is the front desk, dashboard. That's going to what is loading right now. So what the front desk can only do, you can check out, sell products, check for items, then sign out. So the only thing you can do is to just check for invoice, then sign out. So the application is built in a way that if a product is sold, all right, an invoice is always printed out for you. So successfully, do you want to print this transaction? It's printed out. And what I did is that I printed out I did this invoice to make use of rich text in Word. Word document can also bring it out. So it's loaded inside this receipt. This is the last receipt I just printed out. So this is what's going to come outside for the person to get to be printed out. So I just want to show you how I was able to make this one an executable. So the executable file for this one is actually this main.exe. Okay, so let's go to our own work now. So presently, the first thing you need to do is to create a Python file, call it setup. All right. So can you create a file here? Call it setup.py. So please, it's not compulsory. It must be set up. Oh, okay. It's just a file that will allow you to what to type some certain code. Please, EJ, can you hear me?
Yeah, but I have one question for you.
Okay.
Now we have
we have a login file,
Hmm.
we have a front desk file.
Hmm.
So how do you know the index? That is, how do you know the first file? How do you program the first file that will be run
Okay,
by the program?
good question. Good
You have not
question.
told us that.
Yeah, good question. Now, for your this application right now, okay, the first file should be signing. Let me see. It depends on the flow of the application. Let's see what is showing on the sign up. I'm running something. Okay, so this one now shouldn't be the first file. Okay, so the first file should be this sign up, because what we have here, when you sign up, it take you back to what? When you sign up, Abby, it take you back to signing. That's the flow now. It take you back to signing. From signing, you log into your dashboard. Do you get? So that's the flow of this our own application. But if you want to make this one to be your, because if you make this one your first file, this signing your first file, all right, we need to pass in something here. We need to pass in something here for people to be able to sign up, because for new members to be able to sign up, we have to pass it. So you have to link this to that particular file for sign up. But the way we left it, the way it is working right now, the first file is what is your sign up file, because after you sign up, your sign in will not load. Then you can now log into what, to the dashboard. Is that understood?
Yes.
All right. So the file that I'm converting to exe should be this login file. Okay. So create a file, call it setup.py. All right. This is the file that I just created here. Then install this module, pipe install cx freeze. Pipe install cx freeze. Can you see there? Cx underscore freeze, capital F. So you know what to run now. It's going to be pipe install cx underscore capital what F freeze. So if I run it again, it will not be installed because I already have it in my system. So please, can you install that? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm trying to
Okay.
pipe install. CX freeze. Okay.
Are you there now?
Yeah.
Installation successful. Was
I'm
installed.
coming.
Okay.
Okay, it's going on. He said warning. This okay. Successful install Kabaka TSC freeze 8.2.0.
All right. It's installed. So now the next thing, like I said, create a file called on your program. Create a file called set.py. So it's a module. Okay. We've said that everything in Python is just module. So you're just using module and it's a module. So what you need to first of all do is to import it. All right. From CS freeze, import setup, then import executable. From CS freeze, import setup, comma executable. Please, can you type that code on top?
Yeah. From CS freeze import setup executable.
Yes. Have you done that?
A lot of things, I'm coming, a lot of things showing up, I'm coming. Oh, I'm having my, okay, setup.py, okay. Press control to ask to do something. From
CX freeze, import setup, comma, executable.
comma executable.
Yes, comma, executable. You can see it on my screen now. The line 1.
I'm switching. Okay, I've done that.
All right. So the next thing you do now is to use the setup method. All right. Type setup, parentheses opened, name, just like a dictionary, but this is not a dictionary, sha. A dictionary name, the name of the application. All right. The name of the application, or you can put your name there. The next thing you pass there is the version of the application. Then the description, all right, that you want this application to have, pass it there. Then the next thing is the executables, which is the file that you want to convert to executable, equals to, all right, your list executable bracket open and close. Now your own file now should be signup.py. So our own file should be signup.py.
Okay, this is where you now put your own file.
Yes. The own file that you want to load first. So this should be sign up. Sign up with capital U. That's my own. I don't know how you did your own. Sign up with capital
Please,
U.
can you paste this code on the WhatsApp? I'm eating.
Okay. I've dropped it there.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Now, I won't
But
put
it's showing that it's underlining executable for me.
executable for you. Please check
Okay,
your
your executable is capital E.
yes, capital E, because that's what you imported now.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm fine.
All right. All right. The next thing you are going to do now, you are going to run. Have you done this? Please save it. Don't run it here too. Go to your terminal. This terminal that I have here. Go to your terminal. Type Python space. The name of the file is setup. Okay. Python space setup .py. All right. Setup.py then build. So what this code is telling you that you want to build this particular word file.
It was not an easy going prayer. It was desperate prayer. It was
Please
a
mute your
very
mic.
serious
Uh, EJ, can you hear me now?
I'm hearing you.
Yes, I said go to your terminal, type in this code on your terminal, Python space setup dot py space build.
Okay, I've done that.
All right, press enter.
I've done that.
All right, I think it will be running, Abby. Once you finish running, you will see a
Is it,
folder on
no,
your.
it didn't run. You just say, I don't know.
You just said what? Is it what my own is showing that your
As
own
I
is showing?
said, let me check. Running build. No, it didn't tell me running build.
What is it showing you?
It just went on to the next stage. Let me check your code. The Python,
Python, not dot to
Python,
space.
no, Python setup.py
Yes,
build.
build. Yes.
So that's what I did.
When you said import, when you said from cx underscore freeze import setup, is there any error here? Is it flagging any error there? Underline anything there?
It says successful. Successful.
Successful, Abby. All right.
No, no import didn't flag any error.
Okay. I think it's running now. That's why you got successful now.
No, that successful was that installation, not
You see what my own is reading? Can you see my screen?
yeah, but mine is not reading like that.
Is it this code that I have that you added to yours? Please, and I can't even see your screen. Screenshot your screen and drop it on the
Is
platform. Let me
this
see.
is this code now?
Screenshot your screen. This is your
Let me
screen.
tell you. But it's showing that master of last week, oh, just in case.
That what?
The master of last week,
Master of last week.
which is the GitHub.
That one that we
What
downloaded.
we did? Yeah, that was what we did for GitHub.
Is that the one that you want to convert to executable?
No, it's that same folder I'm using now.
Please, can I see your screen? Screenshot it and drop it there. Hello.
Yeah, you see it now. Can you see it?
Have you dropped it on the WhatsApp? Okay.
Yes.
You are using Git Bash terminal now. Hello.
Okay, the terminal.
Take it to command prompt terminal. Do you understand what I mean by that?
I understand. Okay. So that means I have to do that installation again.
No, no need, no need. Just run that build again. This command prompt terminal, put it there. Then run that python space setup.py space build.
The same thing. It did not show me any. Did not show me anything wrong.
Okay, check your file. Did you see? Let me see. Okay, I see your code now. Can you see your code? Your sign up here is capital U and small p. It's correct now.
It's correct now. Or should I reinstall?
Let me even see what this installation is even showing itself. It's not successfully installed now. EJ.
It's not.
He's telling you to update, run. See, he put a code there for you now. Can you this your file that you just drop on this WhatsApp group is what I'm analyzing now. On the terminal, it said a new release of pipe is available. Okay, to update, run this. You are supposed to copy this code and run it. Do you understand?
That
You see this?
after the successful. Okay, to update to
run this. You've not run it now. This thing is not successfully. It's not available yet. You have to copy this code on your terminal, then press enter to install the CS freeze properly.
So that means I need to go back to the gitbox.
No, use your command. Use the command prompt. Use the command
But
prompt.
I no longer see that. I no longer see that. This thing now.
See what you type. Let me even go back to your this thing. Pipe install upgrade pipe.
Install
Pipe install install upgrade space pipe.
That's hyphen
space pipe. Pipe install. Yes, pipe install upgrade space pipe. Let me even type it here. Pipe install upgrade space pipe. Then press enter. This will upgrade your pipe.
Okay.
Have you run that?
Yes, I'm doing that.
All right. Then install that one now. Pipe install CX freeze. If it's successful, pipe install CS freeze. It will be installed now.
CS_freeze.
Yes. pipe install cs_freeze.
I should install it.
Yes, have you run it? Run that one.
Okay. You say requirement already satisfied.
All right.
CSV.
Good. Then the next thing you run up, Shebi, you have this code on your setup.py, Abby. This one that
That's
the one that you type. I think I saw it. So what you are going to type now is you are going to type Python space. Can you hear me? Setup.py build space build. That thing you run before that did not show you anything. Run it again.
did not work.
What do you have?
Nothing, no response. Just Python where you command prompt to Python space setup.py build.
Yes.
Did not work.
And this your CX freeze is not flagging, is not underlining anything.
No. It's not flagging any error.
So what could be wrong? Alright, click beneath your this is where you have your Python, your interpreter. Click on it. Check what you have here. Is
this Python.
Yes. This is another thing we need to check if this thing is accessible. Can you, under your terminal, can you type Python there? That your terminal, can you type Python?
Okay, let me type that.
If you type Python there, yeah, under your terminal, type Python there. Then press enter.
I've run it.
What's it showing?
Python 3.10.11.
Yeah, everything is okay now. What's wrong? Everything is okay. Your Python is installation is okay. So what I was explaining is this. ADB this program runs. I don't know. It means something is wrong with that file. That file directory. Please, any folder inside, can you remove it? But that's not the issue, Sha. So when you run this, you are supposed to see a folder. They will drop a folder on your directory here called build.
Build.
Yeah, this build. When you open this build, you see exec. You can see that this is the setup that I converted. This sign up. This is an executable file. So let me go and run it on my outside. Okay. Now the drawback of this thing is this. If you run this exec file, you notice that it first of all bring out a docs environment, a command prompt environment. It means that something is wrong in my execution, because I actually halted it when it was repeating itself continuously. So let me delete this build. And this still require internet to work.
I have internet.
Yes, no.
So what it's telling me now is Python setup.build file start in line 1. Python setup.build.
Line 1.
Yeah. So, okay, I didn't start my work from line 1. Syntax error.
Please check this code very well though. This setup.py.
Say line 1. Let me see first. Let me see your code.
You know what? If you show
From
you hello,
CX.
hold on. If you show you line one like this, it is not error in your code. Please restart your VS Code. Close it and restart it.
Okay, because of the installation.
Close it and restart it. That's how VS Code. It normally crash in a, if you are running those modules. So close it and restart it, then run your stuff again. It should work.
Others Python setup .py build. Same thing.
Did you close the VS Code and rerun it back?
Yes.
Same thing. Error in line 1.
Yes. No error. Not to show again. Let me do it again. Python. The Python is small letter now.
Yes, small letter. I supposed to give you color yellow.
It did not give me color yellow.
It's not giving you color yellow.
It's not giving me. Yeah.
Are you
Is
sure?
it? Are you using PowerShell? Are you using PowerShell or command prompt?